So, you know, hip hop has given us so much, right? It's contributed so much to my life. I'd argue that the best thing it's given the entire world is the use of the air horn. You guys. Now, before it spread across the world of hip hop, air horns were just a way for boats to let you know that they were boating your way. But the use of air horns has exploded because there's nothing an air horn can't improve. Not just hip hop, right? It can be used in pop songs. All right.
So much better.
Yeah, it's much better, right? That they replaced watch. Don't believe me, just yeah. Perfect. To any song, really, any song.
So much better.
Yeah. Sort of like drowning. It's a drowning. And then there's like a boat. It's kind of appropriate.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
A boat coming to save them.
Yeah. Oh, you know, and also, you know, you don't have to just use it for music. I used an air horn when I proposed to my wife.
Yeah.
Will you marry me?
We don't find out the answer. She said, you know what? Put away the air horn. And let's not do it in a Taco Bell bathroom. But I did it. We did it at the Grand Canyon, but I still brought the air horn. You know.
Oh, that's a good spot for an air horn.
Yeah. Perfect. It's a perfect spot. I've also used the air horn to lighten terrible news.
I'm sorry I'm such a consistently bad husband.
You know, it put a smile on my face, but not hers. So they can even highlight everyday events, air horns.
Hey, I just bought an air horn.
That one was definitely on a boat.
Definitely sounds like a different brand.
Yeah. That's a really high-end air horn for that one. You know, they can be used in any scenario by anyone or anything.
The robot uprising is complete. Air horn.
Turns out robots just say the word air horn. The point is, an air horn can be used for anything. All right, here we go. Including subverting expectations. And then fulfilling them. Wow. Wow, that hurt my ear. I should have warned you about that.
That's a teeny tiny air horn.
It's a little guy.
Still kind of sounds like a meow.
It does.
It sounds like somebody crammed a cat into that.
That was a tribute to the air horn, everybody.